Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty has performed and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can perform tomorrow. Okay. Before that, if you have been looking at Bank Nifty and Nifty, we have seen that the range, this particular range has break upside, and from there we are continuously in uptrend. If you look at this range, it has made a breakout at 40 and now it is at around 41,824. okay, made a high at on 25th, and from there it came down to a level of 40 again, and now trading at around 41,297. okay, so what I would suggest here, not I would see, now we can see that it is showing an upside and overall it is an upside trend. okay, so if the price opens, Bank Nifty opens in this particular range, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 41,340. okay, and we can see a pattern is forming here, so there is a probability that it can go further upside and can touch a level of 41,455, and if the price goes above and the Bank Nifty, there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 41,619, which is a strong resistance, and if it, which is already tested twice. So suppose if the price stays of this level 41,381, then we can see it can touch a level of 41,816 also. okay, and if the price, if the Bank Nifty goes below this level of 41,160, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 41,000, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 40,857. okay, once this level is crossed downside, then we can see it can come down to 4,512 also, and can fill this gap to a level of 40,373. okay, and if it opens above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 41,650 also, and can make a new high also, and can touch at a level of 41,800, which is a good resistance and which is only tested once, so the probability is there it can move upside. Or if it opens below this level, then we can see it can go further low with a resistance of around 41,111. okay, if we talk about Nifty, so what we have to do is we'll wait for the first 15-minute candle where it, if it opens, then we can see upside. If it opens this particular range, then we will treat this as a strong support and resistance, which I have already told you now. okay, so if we talk about Nifty, see, now if we talk about Nifty, this is the particular range it is moving. okay, so there is a probability that it can, if it goes above a level of 18,314, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 18,362, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 18,384, and once this range breaks upside, then we can see it can go to a level of 18,427 and further upside to a level of 18,460. okay, and then the trend will move an upside trend. okay, and suppose if it touch a level of 18,314, 359, and from there, because 18,308 is a closed, the Nifty got closed, so there is a probability if it opens above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 18,357, which is a strong resistance. If it bounce back from this level, then 18,266 will be treated as a strong support. Suppose if it opens below this level, then 18,190 will be act as a support. So there is a probability if it goes below this level, then we can see 18,097, there is a probability it can touch this level, or it can support we can see it around 18,059 also, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 18,000 to a level of 17,975. okay, so let's wait where the market opens. okay, if it opens above this level of 18,261, then we can see there is a probability it can go further upside. If it opens below this level of 18,180, or if it opens below a level of 18,213, then we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of 18,117. but okay, so hope you like the video, but these are all my personal view. Please consult your financial advisor before investing or any trading. okay, and these are for just for education purpose. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.